welding is far more than just joining metals together. All right. So each welding method has its own purpose, advantages, and area of specialization. Yeah, you're welcome to this video presentation, where I'll be telling of different types of welding. You see, whenever we talk about construction, fabrication, heavy industries, or even, modern technology, welding is one skill that plays a major role behind the scenes. All right. So from the gates, we see, to cars, to bridges, machines, and even high-tech industries. All right. So welding is what holds metals together and gives strength to structures. All right. So, but interestingly, welding is not just one process. All right. There are different, types of welding, and each one is designed for a specific purpose. Let's explore some of the major, types of welding and how they work. First, we have MIG welding. MIG welding, also known as metal inert gas welding, is one of the most commonly used welding methods today. So it uses a welding gun that continuously feeds wire into the metal while producing intense electric heat. One reason many fabricators like MIG welding is because it is fast, efficient, and produces cleaner welds. It is commonly used in metal fabrications, car repairs, gates, doors, and industrial works. Next is TIG welding. TIG welding is known for precision and clean finishing. All right. So now, unlike MIG welding, this method gives the welder more control, making it very perfect for stainless steel, aluminum, and high quality metal works. The process may be slower, but the finishing is usually very neat and professional, and that is what is very important. So this is why TIG welding is often used where appearance and accuracy matter a lot. Okay, now let's look at stick welding. This is one of the oldest and strongest welding methods. This is a coated electric stick to create the weld. This method works very well, in outdoors and in rough environments, especially on construction sites. Even when conditions are dusty, windy or tough, stick welding still performs efficiently. All right. So that is why it actually remains the most popular in heavy duty structural works and repairs. Another powerful type is flush poured arc welding. This welding method is similar to MIG welding, but designed for stronger penetration and heavy industrial applications. So it produces intense spark and works well on thick metals. Flush poured welding is commonly used in shipbuilding, steel structures, and large industrial fabrication. Move to gas welding. Gas welding uses flame instead of electric current. Here, oxygen and acetylene gases combine to produce a heavy hot flame capable of melting metal. This method has been used for many years in metal repairs, pipe works, and heating application. Even though the modern welding technologies are advancing, gas welding still remains useful in many workshops today. Another interesting one is spot welding. Spot welding is mostly used in automobile manufacturing. Instead of creating long welding lines, this method joins metal sheets, together at specific points using pressure and electric currents. Most modern cars factories use robotic spot welding. Because they are fast, precise, and efficient. And finally, laser welding. This is one of the most advanced welding technologies today. You see, laser welding uses concentrated laser beams to join metals with extreme precision. It is commonly used in aerospace industries, electronics, robotics, and other high-tech manufacturing sectors. The process is fast, accurate, and produces very clean results. In conclusion, you know, as we can see, from construction site to to automobile factories to advanced technology industries, welding continue to shape the modern world around us. So, and honestly, behind many strong structures we see today, there's always the hidden arts and science of welding. Which of these welding types do you find most interesting? So let me know in the comment section. This is Creative TV. Like this video, share this video, and follow for more creative ideas.